Hey guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So I'm going to be doing Goku today. Goku Super Saiyan God. It's the red one, not the blue one. So he's got the red eyes and a pupil in there. And, well, it's kind of... Is it red? I'd say red. It's kind of a purpley, pinky red. It's kind of off red. But anyway, why am I talking about the red hair? So, Dragon Ball eyes... We'll start with the eyebrow. So it's going to go, we're about the middle of our page as usual, and we're going to go up this way. Like so. It's going to curve down the back for that Dragon Ball style eyebrow. And then it's going to come back around down to here. Then his eye just comes down in underneath that. It's kind of a box-like shape. Just here. And then it's going to come across. And then up. Like so. So more of an open style Dragon Ball eye. He's not really frowning or anything. He's a little bit angry, but he's just looking serious, I guess. So his eye is more open than they would usually be in Dragon Ball fighting eyes anyway. So we have the iris then, curves around underneath there. And then the pupil, we can just see the in here, just real close to the eyebrow. Like so. Then we're going to come over and do the next one. So some of this eyebrow is covered by a fringe, so we got to stop kind of halfway. So we're going to go across, like so. And then this has some of his hair coming down past his eye. So you just do a little V here. Of course, if you were doing it in pencil, you could just keep that going and rub it out after. But I can't. So we're going to just jump over that piece and do the rest of that eyebrow like so. Kind of like this one. Then this comes down here. Jump over that. Add that piece of hair there. And then this comes down in there. Then his eye, just in here like the other side. Down like so. They're level, right across from each other. And this comes across here. And back up in here. And then his iris and pupil are in there as well. So we're going to go around and the pupil just in here. Like so. We have those Dragon Ball cheek lines just coming across here. So it comes just across like so, just underneath his eye here, just across where the top of his cheek would be. And you do something similar on this side as well. So just these sort of diagonal kind of lines there. Then his nose, just down here in the middle, we're going to go a backwards L first, like that. And then that shadow comes down to a V here first, and then joins up the top of that line just there. Then his mouth, real close to his nose, nearly touching it, just across here. And then down both sides like that. And then just a line for his chin, just underneath here. Kind of separates the chin from his bottom lip. So it's just underneath his mouth, just there. Then his chin down here, like that. This comes up to his jaw, both sides, like so. And then we're going to go up the side of his face. Just beside the eyebrow there, and the eyebrow has these little lines just on the end as well. And then this one comes up this side. Like so, and the eyebrow just has some lines just at the end here, and we can see one of his sideburns just in this side. So his fringe, So we have fringe on this side, so it's going to go spike down here, curve back up, around to about there. The next one is just in here, come down diagonal towards the eyebrow, bring it across the middle of his face, and then this is going to go back up and around into where his hairline is, that middle part of his hair. This is kind of standard Goku hair. It's like when his hair is black, you know? And then this comes down to there. Kind of maybe looks a bit more wavy because it's like moving with his energy, but that's about it. So then this comes up to here, back into there. And we have a sort of a middle line just for the part in his hair, just here. And this kind of comes across here, and we have lines in the center, up, down. Like so, you're following sort of the shape for that curve of his hair. There's little lines just on the ends of those spikes, like so. Another one here. And then the next one just here as well, like that. And then this one comes up, over to there. And then a line for the end of it there. Right, so his ears. So we have ear down here with some bones and ligament lines just in under that hair there. His other ear over this side, we can see a bit more of it. So it comes up from here. They're in line with those sort of cheek lines that he has, just across them. And then this is going to come up there. And then we have bones and ligaments and things inside there. And another line maybe here. Lines inside. So, right, we'll finish his hair. So, hair spikes coming out from the side of his head. Back into there. This one comes across to here. Back up to this side. Then we have a bigger one, comes up here, and it's kind of a wavy line. It's like his hair is sort of flowing in the energy, so it has a bit of a flow to it. It's different, slightly different to the black hair Goku. Then this next one is smaller. This one wavy, sort of has a bump like that. And then we have that round portion of his hair. So like it's the top of his head, just like here. And then we have Goku's biggest spike, which like comes up to here. So it's gonna start here, and it's gonna go all the way. Like so. Then it comes down. Back down and in to there. And then we have a big wavy one coming off here. So it's like a curve like so. And then it waves, kicks up in a different direction. So it goes to about here. So see, it's a real wavy line. Goes up and down and back up. And then it's gonna go back down into here. And then we have another wavy line here. And this comes down towards his ear. Smaller curve. Back in towards his face then for this one. Like so. And at the ends of those you just add a hairline just in there. couple here, one here, one here. And we actually forgot one spike, so just in the middle of his head. Just one there. Up, and then down, and then here. Right, neck muscles, line straight down, other side, coming down from his jaw, right there. And interior neck muscles. So we have one coming down there, one coming down there. Adam's apple, there, like so. Remember, if I go too fast, guys, hit pause. Use a pencil too, just so you can ink after. You know, draw it light till you get it right. And then we have his trapezius, like there, trapezius there. And then his clothes. So we have the orange section comes down here. So it goes down this way, goes down this way. And we have his blue t-shirt that comes across the middle, just here. Like that. Chest muscles then, just on top here. Like so. Maybe with a line just for one of them, one of his pecs starting in there. Two lines coming up for muscles just here. And then trapezius muscles. 1, 2. Like so, and another neck muscle line just in here, like that. Then this orange part of his clothes keeps coming down in here, so it goes down into the middle, into a V, just there. And then we have fold lines for his t-shirt just inside. And, right, so his shoulders, so his orange, it has comes up, cross, bumpy, up, down. So these are bumpy fold lines for his clothes, cross to here, and then this comes down, like so, and then comes down to here, and then goes off the page like that. Pretty much the same over here, so we go diagonal up, cross, down, up, down. So two bumps. This one comes across, down this way, then into there, much like this side, and then down like so. Then we have some more fold lines. So we have another fold line here, just to show it's wrapping around his arm, like that. Here too, maybe. And then some coming down towards his stomach, like that. And then we can see his shoulder just coming out here from that orange part. So we have a blue t-shirt section that's on the top of his shoulder. So it comes down like so, comes out for the edge of that t-shirt, for the sleeve of it, back in like that. Over here as well, curve there, down, back across like that. And then we can see just some muscles of his arms just in here. So we have a line diagonal down for shoulder muscle. His tricep starts here, like so. And then the longer part of that tricep comes down off the page into the corner there. And then we can see just another shoulder muscle, where his bicep starts on the inside, where it joins the back of his arm just there. And then the inside of his arm just in here. And then we come over and do the shoulder over here. Start of his tricep, down, diagonal in, and off my page there. And then the bicep just in here and in there. And I think that's it. Yep. That is how to draw Goku, Super Saiyan God, red. pinky red. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.